well.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad.
So I'm in the city again in H&M because I'm looking for some black clothes. I almost have no black items in my closet, and that's not okay. So that's what I'm looking for in H&M right now. So far I have these black cargos in my hand. We'll see.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we LVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look
So I finally washed my hair. I've been procrastinating on my wash day for the past almost 5 days, but today I did it. I built up the courage to go wash my hair, and now I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna be using this feels like a whole tutorial right now, but it's not, I promise. I'm gonna be using the Mayel Curl Smoothie and the Kinky Curly Not Today. Let's go. I made this iced tea yesterday, and it's so delicious. I added vanilla, and whenever I drink it, I just take 2 slices of lemon, and it's so good, so fresh and delicious. Hey guys, today is Saturday. I just got out of bed. It's like 1 something p.m. but today I just don't feel like doing anything. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go to the living room right now, watch this Portugal-Morocco football game. I don't have anything planned for today, so we'll see where today brings us. It's a little bit later now, and I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. I'm so happy Morocco won, by the way, period. I'm gonna watch my TV shows and go to bed, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, today is Sunday and we just came from church, and now I am on my way to my sister's house. I'm gonna see the baby, my niece, her baby. I'm gonna go see the baby and the baby. Yeah, it's super cold. My hands are in pain and it's cold.